This is Plaza de Armas, the main square and birthplace of Peru's capital, Lima. And right here, in the heart of the country, is a little restaurant selling Peru's favorite sandwich, Chicharrón. Except this Chicharrón has a Chinese twist. Hey guys, welcome back to Chifa, a web series exploring the fascinating story of Peru's Chinese heritage population through the lens of food. In the last episode, we discovered that all over Peru you can spot thousands of Chinese restaurants called Chifa, and had our bona fide expert Alex introduce us to some of Peru's unofficial national delicacies.
The yin and yang of Chifa.
And today, the story continues, which brings us back to Plaza de Armas and Chicharrón with a Chinese twist. So first of all, what is the name of this restaurant?
El Chinito.
Okay, hold on. This is Vanessa Yong. She and her family run the place. So, can you show us around?
Yeah, sure. First, I want to show you that everything, as you can see, is an open kitchen. We have oil, change every day. We have to boil the chicharrón for more or less 45 minutes. You can see also the boiled ribs here. And then just 5 minutes for fried. Huge pieces of chicharrón. We use it from the panceta, which is from the ribs, and the meat beside the ribs. So it's really, really, really good.
Let me tell you, meat is taken very seriously at El Chinito. You can choose from a whole variety of roasts and hams, including some Chinese-inspired classics like Peking duck and char siu. But not just these two have a Chinese touch to them.
The way that we cook it is really different from other restaurants. We add some Chinese, we are like a fusion. All of these recipes are from my granddad. The restaurant and the name, 60 years ago. 60. The first one is in Chancay and Cepita, and my grandma is still running it. We just opened the second one, and then the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and now the sixth one.
As you can tell, El Chinito's Chicharrón game is strong. Every detail is tradition here. And they understand one important thing. Chicharrón is not just about the pork.
Salsa criolla, which is onion with small pieces of chili and some lemon. It's very, very, very important. This one is sweet potato, fried sweet potato. All the people who has a chicharrón, they need to put it some sweet potato. Bread, sweet potato, and chicharrón, no? Fried pork. If not, it's not chicharrón. This is fresh bread. Everything is fried in the moment. Everything is baked in the moment. And this one is the chili sauce that I was telling you. And it's also my granddad's formula or recipe. And yeah, the secret, because we need to continue. If we want to open more restaurants, we need to continue with the recipes of everything. If not, they won't kill myself. So we have the salsa criolla, the chili sauce, our meats, the tamal, the bread, and very, very important thing here. In a lot of countries, you have your own country beverage. So we have here la chicha morada, purple corn beverage.
Now, all of this sounds very, very typically Peruvian to me, so I couldn't help but wonder, how important is being Chinese at El Chinito?
Some people say, when they say, is this the same Chinito? Yes, but where are the Chinese? I say, I am Chinese, half Peruvian. What's your last name? Yong. Okay, yeah, you are the granddaughter. Yeah, they need some proof. And then after they take the sandwich and eat it, say, oh my God, that's really good. That's fantastic that you open a new restaurant here near us and whatever. I say, yeah, it's a relief.
Guys, I don't know about you, but I love family-run restaurants. There's just something special to that. Naturally, Vanessa invited us to try some of their signature chicharrón. But before we dug in, there were a couple of things we really wanted to find out.
My dad usually say that the Chinese conquer the Peruvians through the stomach, through the food. Because yeah, everybody loves Chinese food. We have more chifas than Peruvian restaurants. And it's really funny. Everybody have a Chinese friend. Everybody. We call habla chino, habla chino. Hey Chinese bro, hey Chinese. It's like bro, yeah, chino. When my grandparents opened the first Chinito, it doesn't call Chinito, it called it muelle. But the people say, hey, let's go to the Chino, he's my friend, we eat some sandwich. Because my granddad was very, very, very friendly. And say we have to show to our Peruvians and be grateful because they open their doors and their country. Chinito, Chinito. And Chinito is the Chinese person. My granddad decided to change the name because nobody called it muelle. Everything fresh, everything is daily cooked. I prefer to pay more to my chefs and my cookers to come here at 6 a.m. that they used to come here, because I need to keep the good and the well name that my granddad and my grandmother gave it to me and my sister and my uncle. My great parents, they came here. My granddad, even that he looks like very, very Chinese, they born here. For me, I need to go to China to learn Chinese for 3 years, and because I like it. I want to go and look for my roots.
So did you get inspired by Chinese food when you were in China?
Yeah, big time, big time. When my dad and my great parents and my mom, my sister, everybody visit me in China. When we went to Chinese food, which is real Chinese food, they said, it's not so good. What? Yeah, I think in Peru is better. It's like a very Peruvian way to think that all the world food here is better. And I know we have the best Peruvian food, but we cannot say that we have the best Chinese or Italian food or French food or Hindu. No way. But they think that, and we are, because we have fusion food here. Yeah, what can I do? Oh, still warm? Yeah, this one is the chicharrón. This is fried pork with Chinese and Peruvian ingredients. As you can see, it's quantity and quality. This one is country ham. We cook every day, but you eat it cold. Cold is really, really good. It's salty, but as soon as you taste it, you will say, oh my God. This one, we call it las costillas del Chinito, which means like Chinito's ribs. Huge, as you can see. It's not, they are not small, with meat, no? And as complement, sweet potato, salsa criolla, and the chili sauce. Coffee is from chancha mayo. It's really, really good. The purple corn beverage and our loved Inca Cola. You cannot have any Chinese food, for example, in Chifa, without Inca Cola. All the chaufa, all the fried rice, noodles, soup, everything is with Inca Cola at any time. The formula, we don't know. We just know that, oh, it's good and it's tasty.
Well, thanks for the perfect segue, Vanessa, because there's one thing you guys need to know. The Yong family does not only run El Chinito. No. They also own Chifa San Hoilao, which is over 100 years old and located right in the heart of Lima's Chinatown. In the next episode, Vanessa's dad will take us on a tour of Barrio Chino, as it's called, and even let us take a sneak peek at the kitchen of one of Peru's fanciest chifas. Make sure you're subscribed, and I hope to see you in the next video.
This video was brought to you by Andong's epic Patreon supporters. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell for weekly food inspiration from all over the world.